stop.
I line it up with there.
No. Blade.
You said line it up with that.
No, on a straight run when you're going.
That's what I said. That's what I said inside. Why do we use pencil?
So we can rub it off.
You did it!
Get out of here. I did.
I did something!
Hold it.
That one went in on an angle.
Oh!
We got heat to screw. Oh, fuck. Oh, you fucked it. You're not straight, babe. Lean over it. No. It's not that hard.
They didn't trust me.
Hi, we are back. It's just seconds for you, but it's been almost 2 weeks for us. So today we are here about to install the marine plywood to go on top of this sound deadening. We have our piece of wood. Oh, hello. We have our piece of timber. It's cut. Probably didn't need to because we changed the plans about taking the seats out.
Was cut to length.
Yeah, it's cut to the length, and then we changed our mind. But it will still work. It'll just be in 2 pieces. However we do that. But yes, hopefully it doesn't take too long today.
Yeah. All we're going to do is just measure around the wheel arches.
Yeah.
And cut it out. That's simple.
That simple. And then we will show you the type of screws we are using because it's a really good thing to know. But until then, enjoy. So what we are doing right now is we're using the old floor. We snapped it in half, so we're trying to put it back together so we have a little stencil. So we're using the old floor to then cut out our new floor. She's looking like this, but we've just tried to hammer her back together. But I think it will work. Will give us some idea anyway.
Yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah.
Burger. We'll go here. We'll go all plus 20 millimeters.
Just trying to get a little bit more precision. What are we having for dinner?
A Portos,
A
bruh.
Portos. Getting a Portos because I think we feel better than getting Hung Jacks. We don't usually take away ever.
You know what they say? You know what they say?
Me and you asked apparently. What do they say?
Burgers are better at Hungry Jack's.
We're going to have to show a little shitty video of that.
Careful with your fingies.
Careful.
Got him?
Careful.
Oh. Oh. Okay.
So we got this marked out, which is great. All we're going to do is circular saw, plunge cut this line, and then come in that way,
Look,
and then just trim the rest out. And then that'll be it.
These look like dents, but they're actually not.
it's wood.
Smooth.
So wood
It's been meshed together.
will not be perfect.
Very nice.
Glamby.
Why don't you just practice with this one first? Alright. And then you want to do it. You want to hold it like this. Do it like that. And I hold it with my thumb. But you grab it like that, then you set up. Okay. Yeah. Just try and just start it a few times. Get used to the torque of the Makita.
Have some faith.
I have faith.
There's so much faith in this room.
Jesus. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Stop.
Blade, brother.
Stop.
I line it up with there.
No.
Blade, brother.
Blade.
You said line it up with that.
No, on the straight run when you're going.
That's what I said. That's what I said.
And which one did you line it up with?
Inside.
This one.
Yeah, but you had it like this. You had it on the line, but you're like that. Like, you went like this. Yeah, that's on the line, but I'm here. Do you want me to do it?
You do it.
Luckily, that's the plus 20 mil cut.
Yay!
Maybe I'll blend it then. Okay. There's no dust on it.
I don't want to cover it.
Oh my god!
Shit.
Oh my god! Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Oh, that fits better. Fit even better. Just got to cut that 20 mil off. Do you want to stand on it there and make sure the carpet is folded down? And lift it up, the carpet behind your feet.
Cool.
Yeah. Make sure not under it. And just stomp on it there. Yeah, that fits better. We don't have to trim it. That's why I use the pencil. Texture.
Look at that.
That's good. That's a good fit.
Snug.
Just trim this little bit.
You can actually go that way a little bit if you want.
Nah, because you can't. Because
Oh no, you can't because of the thing. Yeah.
you could almost just leave it like that. Have the gap up the front, unless you want to notch that out.
There's a little bit more room here between the
If
rear
we
arch.
lose this little piece of factory, it fits perfect.
Nice. No, let's do it. Let's leave it like that.
Ah.
You reckon?
Yeah, well.
Will it rub?
Oh, look, and look. If we cut it down there, it would have been too long.
Yeah, it would have.
So, well, technically it needs to come this way, but you know, whatever. Do you want to come this way? Because it would actually probably be better if you came 10 mil this way.
That way?
Is there enough?
That's what I'm saying.
Cut
You've
it
got
out.
a little bit of room
Well, hang on. What I'll do is we have
to go that way a
we have to
little.
trim this out a little bit.
Slither. Will it rub too much up in that corner?
It's hard up against the body.
Yeah.
That's-
So just get the pencil and we'll just really cut it a little bit. Cut your fingers off.
Jigsaw is fun. You did it!
Get out of here.
Just need the nail file.
I'm just doing the easy bit. Step in the middle. Get it here as well. Oh, she's thick. She's really tall.
You can probably come up a little.
Hey?
You can come up a little because this was
That
further
way?
that. Yeah.
You want to go out that way?
You can if you need to.
I wouldn't, because then you got this massive gap here, because you're
Yeah.
going to have like an angle here.
That's fine. That's definitely better than what it was.
Careful. It was just this part here.
Sliver.
It's a glove.
Yeah, that's just missing.
That'd be.
That's good.
You can always like do that.
Sweet. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually mark, if you have a look here, see the high side, not the low side. So we're going to mark a hole, or put a mark there, and there, and there, and there. So just mark where all the high side is, tack screw it directly through, and then once we've got all of that, that sort of gives us a guide of then to drill the hole for the rivnut. And then what we can do is then go with the next process, put the rivnut in, and then the actual bolt into the rivnut.
So we can rub it off again.
Why do we use pencil?
So we can rub it off.
We're going to get in here with an eraser and rub it all off.
Just so we know that it didn't look like we made mistakes.
No.
Because we're perfect.
Because we just
Looked
at it and we knew the measurements.
We don't make mistakes.
Cut it.
A few moments later.
Get in my belly. A little undercooked. Like raw potato. What are you measuring?
We're just evenly spacing the bolts out so it's got equal pulling capability and my OCD will be satisfied. And then we'll do the same thing this way. We'll go 50 million, divide it by 1, 2, 3 equal spots so it's evenly even. And then I can sleep at tonight.
Put that in the logbook.
I don't even know.
I didn't even know I bought one. Bought it like that.
Oh, she's down.
Pretty good.
I did one.
Get something!
Ah! Hold it.
That one went in on an angle.
Oh!
Why am I so nervous? I'm never usually nervous.
Good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that felt great. Another one. Yeah, go. Speed. Speed is friend. So you go to f***ing town. Just do like another one there. We got heaps of screws.
Oh,
Oh, you fucked it.
you're not straight, babe. Lean over it.
No. She's on a hump. You just see what it does. No. Let me do it. Yeah, on like the down
side
slope.
of it.
Maybe we'll leave that one out. Ah, fucking so hot. So hot. That's called friction, man. Science. That one's a little bit.
They didn't trust me.
This is like a tech screw with
It's
wings.
a decking screw. It's a
decking screw.
It's a decking screw with Phillips head, but like some people don't use them for decking, but like now that everyone uses the square head things and whatever. It's sort of a decking screw. If you go to Bunnings, it says it's a metal screw. Exterior screws for fixing to metal. But
So basically, it goes through wood and then it can go through metal.
yeah, it's a class 3 as well. If that means.
So that's what we're using first for the floor, and then what's next is we are going to take all of these screws out, take the floor out, and then we are going to, what is the word?
We are going to
Rivnut.
drill it out to 10 millimeters
Drill
in the
out.
body,
Yep.
and then we'll rivnut and nutsert in there, and then you got more clamping force, more purchase on the bolt head because it's a bolt, not a screw now, and we'll actually Loctite them in, so that way over corrugated roads and over time these screws won't rust around like the 0.5 millimeter of purchase through the metal and then just pop out like the last board. It's an actual mechanical fixture. So if you look up the shear rating on an M5 or M6 bolt or whatever you're using, it'll be like 800 kilos per bolt. So the clamping force is going to be extreme around the whole board. So it's going to be like a lot better.
Strong.
It's a lot more future proof.
Yeah. In layman terms, what that means is because we are going to 100% be hitting corrugated roads in our Australia lab, over time those screws are like essentially going to come loose and like get rusty, and like there'll be movement there, because that's what happened with the previous floor. Like the screws, we could just basically lift up the board. It was stuck down, but the screws just fell out. So that's why we're doing the rivnuts, the bolts, so then essentially that doesn't happen.
Can you open that door anymore? Oh. If we mark it there, that's being ambitious, right? And we'll be able to push it back if need be.
Yeah?
Yep, done.
Oh, is it a glove?
Okay. I did it!
Good job. Now you can sort of mark where you... Oh, you cut it too short.
Too short?
Trim. So go there.
Yeah.
And now mark that out. I'd mark it sort of. So.
Floor's in. How good? So, two things. This was able to come out in 3 pieces, so we were able to cut the floor all the way up to one side, and then as you can see from here, we've got another one here and another one on this side, and I reckon that is pretty good, pretty neat. So what we've done for temporary solution, or just the time being, is we've just literally metal screwed this to the floor, to the body of the car. So through the wood, through the sound deadening, through the body. And this will be the way that it stays until we get back from Brisbane, from doing the headspace roof conversion. Once that happens, and by that time we would have definitely had a plan for the fit out and where the 12 volt's going and everything else like that, we will then take all these screws out, take the boards out, and then rivnut this thing to the body, as well as what Ryan explained for the reasons earlier in the video. So temporary solution, amazing. It's so good that we got this floor in. I feel so much better. Next stop is Brisbane.
Brisbane.
How good?
Buying. So, floor's done. Packing up for the night. It is almost 2200. We've got to take all the old kitchen and everything that was in there. We had it stored here.
Put the fit out back in.
Yeah. But we have to go to the dump and get rid of that. But we have a floor under here. Yay. And then that's it. That's the last part of the floor for now. And then more things to come very, very soon, because in a few weeks' time we're on our way to Brisbane. So until then, we will see you in Brisbane.
Bye.
Bye.
I said black guy, and you went. He pulled it down, but got purchased.
I'm not here to fucking put socks on centipedes.
That's fair enough.